Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to Gab Official. Today I'm going to show you how to replace your light leveling switch on this Hyundai Ioniq. As you can see around here, that's the switch we're going to be replacing today. So as you can see, that's what we're going to be replacing, that switch there today. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first what we need to do is remove this trim here, so you can see the trim tool. And we're going to need to pull this weather seal off, and now just take this trim off. As you can see, there's a Phillips screw there, just need to remove that one there. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Also take this one out as well, just so that this trim here, it's got movement in it, makes it a lot easier. Now just put this trim tool on here, unclip that bit there. Now you can pull this one out, as you can see, like so. Unclip it there. Like that. Now do the same to this one here. See, easy as that. Just try not to break this on you pulling it off, but we'll replace it, so it doesn't really matter. As you can see, it comes out like that. Push that clip in, comes off, voila. Now I'm just going to plug this one back in. This is a new one. Then you got to slot this in first. Like that. Let's line this one up. Like that. Then put both the screws back in. I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Once you've got the screws, tighten them up. Like so. Now we're just going to put this cover back on. Just line it up. And just push. Like that. And now just put the aperture seal back in. As you can see, and that's it. Thank you, and thank you for choosing Gab Official. Please like, share, and subscribe for further content on my channel. Stay blessed, keep on rolling. Boom.